I found an evergreen, ridiculously high CPM YouTube niche that is quietly generating millions of views with simple 2D illustrated videos. Look at Think Science, over 500,000 subscribers, pulling in massive view counts on videos that explain biology, health, and science through continuous, story-driven 2D animations. The visual style is clean, engaging, and insanely high retention. Here is a piece of the exact video we are building today using this niche, created completely with AI.
Do you wake up with the sun, or struggle to leave your warm, cozy bed? Your wake-up time is more than just a habit. It reflects your internal clock. This biological rhythm is governed by your master hormone, known as cortisol. Early risers often experience a sharp cortisol spike shortly after dawn breaks. This natural boost provides them with immediate energy to start the busy day. In contrast, night owls have a delayed cortisol response that peaks much later. This shift makes mornings feel sluggish and difficult for those who stay up. Melatonin.
Building a channel like this used to be a nightmare. You needed separate tools for scripting, voiceovers, illustrated artwork, and expensive animation rendering. If you wanted to test different visual ideas or batch-produce content, your software budget was completely wiped out before you even published a video. Today, I am showing you how to automate an entire 2D illustrated science channel under one single platform called MagicLight AI, using two master prompts that give you total control over your ideation and script writing. And that's not all. You will have the ability to bulk generate images, video, and even full ready-made assembled video with complete control over direction and art style. The very first thing is to paste this master prompt in ChatGPT. After you paste it, ChatGPT will generate very good video ideas tailored to this exact niche. Just pick the idea you like. After that, we move to our second master prompt for scripting. Just paste it into the same chat and replace the bracket with your selected idea. Then it will give you the full script. Now we will start using MagicLight AI, an all-in-one long-form video platform. Now let's get right in. Here, you start on the main dashboard and select explainer video from the many options available. It's for this science niche. For the script generator, select GPT 5.6 to get deep, cinematic storytelling. Under Visual Styles, choose the illustration style to instantly match that high-retention 2D look. Make sure your settings are set to 16.9 for YouTube and select your target language. And you can also set a custom duration or number of shots, going all the way up to 50 minutes long. Now in this text box, you can just paste your title and click Next. Now, if you don't want the AI to write the script for you, just create a new project, select the duration to auto, and you can paste your own custom script right into the topic box to get the best possible output. For our tutorial, we are using the topic, what happens to your cortisol every minute after you wake up. When you hit Next, the platform gives you an option for a one-click video, which instantly generates a finished render, but we are skipping that and clicking Next. Taking the step-by-step path gives you total creative control over every single scene, cast member, and visual prompt. The AI analyzes your script and auto-generates your full storyboard, breaking your topic down scene by scene. You'll see visual prompts for sunlight streaming through curtains, neural pathways, and biological systems. If you want custom narration, MagicLight allows you to use AI voice cloning, meaning you can clone your own voice or a custom voice clone to narrate the entire video seamlessly. And additionally, we can slow regenerate any scene without using any credits, so basically for free. Once your storyboards, voiceover, and visual prompts are reviewed, click Next. Then it will ask you if you want to animate all the images. This opens up your video model selection. For this step, choose the eye. We'll use the Seedance 2.0 Mini model. This is the ultimate tool for faceless creators. Seedance 2.0 Mini delivers the exact same capabilities, scene transitions, and multi-scene character continuity as the flagship Seedance 2.0 model, but at literally half the generation cost. The only trade-off is that it outputs below 1080p, making it intentionally optimized for rapid testing, fast batch creation, and low-cost storyboard rendering before committing to a final high-res export. To finish the video, select your preferred caption style or choose no captions. Pick a background music track to match the mood and let MagicLight assemble the final render. In just a few minutes, you have a complete, polished, 2D illustrated educational video ready to upload.
The morning sun filters through your bedroom window. Inside your body, a biological alarm clock begins to tick with precision. Your adrenal glands prepare to release a surge of cortisol into your blood. Within 5 minutes of waking, your levels begin a sharp, steady climb upward. This is the cortisol awakening response, designed to help you start your day. By 10 minutes, your body is mobilizing stored energy to fuel your muscle.
And I actually think it's that good to the point where I can say it's worth every penny. And not only that, you also get an AI playground where you can use all the latest AI video generation models. And if you also like to create YouTube shorts, this platform provides pre-made templates for all the viral YouTube shorts niches, ready to use, so I think it's worth checking that out. If you want to tap into this evergreen niche, stop overpaying for single-clip renders and batch create long-form AI videos with full creative control. Try it out today. Click the link in my description and pinned comment to try MagicLight AI for free. Grab the 2 master prompts down below. Let me know what topic you're building next, and I'll see you in the next one.
What topic are you building next?